Okay.
One.
What letter is this?
One. W.
Oh, later na, later. Start from A. Oh, slow na, slow. What letter is this?
Stop. Stop.
Oh, stop, stop. What letter is this?
B. A.
Oh, very good.
B.
Very good.
B.
Very good.
B.
Very good.
B. B. Dog.
This one.
F. Fish.
Ito ang fish. F. This one. I, what is this?
Elephant.
Oh, elephant. So letter E. This is F. What letter? What letter is this, anak?
G.
G. Very good. What about this one?
K.
No.
L.
Oh, what is this?
K.
Anak.
No K. This K. This K.
What letter is this? Letter H. Oh, this is house. Right?
A.
Oh, this is the letter
A.
I. What is this?
Letter I.
Yeah, letter I. This is igloo, right?
No.
Oh, what letter is this?
No. Mama.
What is this?
Lion.
It's a jaguar. A jaguar.
Jaguar.
No. Go back. Go back, anak. What letter is this, anak? What letter is this?
Badger.
What letter is this? Huh?
Badger.
Come on.
Badger.
Hmm?
I love here.
Don't bite Ella. No, don't bite mommy, anak. What letter is this, anak?
Ella.
Anak. Hey. Come on. Say it. I. What letter is this? Huh? What is this?
Jelly.
Jelly. So what letter is this? Letter J.
Mommy.
Ah, you didn't listen to mommy. Okay. What letter is this, anak? Anak, oh, look at this. Look at this. Oh. Letter. I.
Baby kangaroo.
Yeah, kangaroo. So
Mommy.
letter K.
Mommy, kangaroo.
Yeah, kangaroo. So what letter is this? Oh, look at this.
Lion.
Oh, so this is L, lion. Oh, lion, ladybug. Oh.
Spider.
Oh, yeah. What letter is this?
P.
Hey, this one.
M.
Oh, very good. Monkey, mango, monkey, mango. Oh, what letter is this? Next. Anak. Oh, this is O.
Yeah.
This is O. This is orange. Oh, what about this one, anak? Anak, what about this one? Oh, look at this. Look at this. What is this? What is this? What is this, anak? Anak, what is this? No. So this is letter N. Oh, let's proceed to letter. What is this? Anak? This one. Anak. Anak. What letter is this? Come on. Say it to mommy. What is this? Hey. Yes. Naku, sleeping na agad, anak. Still early. Come on. Listen to mommy, oh. What is this? Parrot. So what letter is this? Letter? P. Very good. What is this? Very good. That's right, baby. Very good, anak. Okay. Yes. Anak, what letter is this? Anak, look at mommy. What letter is this? No, anak. This is. Where's the Y? No, this is not. Oh, what letter is this? No, this is the Y. This is the Y, right? Y and Z. So We are still here. What letter is this, anak? Anak, what is this?
W.
Who is this, anak? A queen, right?
Queen.
So what letter is this? What letter is this? Q. Oh, no, don't go over, anak. Still have a lesson. Anak. Okay. Let's proceed, anak. Oh, what letter is this? Anak, hello. What is this? What is this? Come on, tell mommy. What is this? Anak, what is this? Hey. Where are you looking? Where? I'm asking this one. Oh, what is this, anak?
Rabbit.
Rabbit. So what letter is this? R. Oh, ang galing na. Wow, this is your favorite. What letter is this? Anak, what letter is this? Letter is... What letter is this? Letter S. What is this, anak? What is this? This is... What letter is this? What letter? What animal is this?
Sheep.
Sheep. So what is this? Letter S. What about this one? What is this? What letter is this? What is this, anak? What is this? Anak, what is this? Hey, mommy is asking you, what is this? Come on, you are not listening. We are about to finish. Oh? What letter is this? Oh, come on. What is this, anak? Come on, tell mommy. Mommy start teaching. What is this, anak? TV. What is this? Tree. So this is letter T. Very good. What about this one, anak? Anak, what is this?
Watch.
Wow. Okay. What letter is this? U. This is, what do you call this one? What do you call this one? Umbrella, right? Yeah, this is unicycle. U. This is letter U. Oh. Umbrella. Okay. What about this one? What letter is this? This is letter V. This is van. Okay. What about this one? What letter is this? This is your favorite, anak. Oh, come on. Oh, what letter is that? Come on. We have 4 letters left. What letter is this? Very good. So what is this? Watch. Very good. W. So what about this one? What letter is this? Anak, no. What is this? Where is Y? Oh, very good. Where is Z? Letter Z. Very good. Z. Zebra. Zipper. This is Y. Yate. And this is yogurt. This is yogurt.
Mommy, coffee. Yogurt. Yogurt.
Yogurt is not a coffee.
Yogurt. Coffee.
This is X-ray. Letter X. Oh, what about this one, anak? What do you call this one? You know this one? Xylophone.
What's